Hey guys, how's it going? This is Ritvik, the co-founder here at Syncupp, and I want to quickly take you through projects and what are the different modules in it so that you can best use it for your teams. So under projects, we have given an all task section. This all task section is like a full-fledged view of everything going on in your business, right from the task name, board, assignee, time track, due date, priority, status, and this is across all different projects, right? So you can see there are 10 rows here, 141 pages, so almost 1400 tasks in one single glance you can go through. You also get multiple powerful features here, such as selecting tasks by date range, selecting tasks by specific board. So let's say if I've got a specific client that I need to see the task of, I'll just tap on their name or that board, and automatically all the details and all the tasks from that particular client will be visible here. Let's say that I want to see a task and filter it by a particular type of status. I can just tap on select status and I can filter tasks by various kinds, such as in progress, completed, overdue, archive, timer on. If they've got a timer on in their boards, they can easily tap on it and they'll be able to view it. Then you also get to see the assignees. So let's say that you want to see the task of a particular teammate. Let's say in my case, I want to see the task of my teammate called Duty. I'll just tap on Duti's name and automatically all the tasks related and pertaining to Duty will be visible here. So automatically I am able to create a lot of powerful views, and I can also probably add tasks from here, or I can export this sheet as well, and I can put into, some people put into ChatGPT and try and drive insights from it, right? Now moving on to boards. Boards is where the different projects and departments will be created. It's very simple to create boards. You just come here, you can see I can create as many boards as I want. There's no limit to the amount of boards I can create. I just simply tap on new board, and when I create a new board, I will be able to add much more details, such as what? Let's have a look. So once you create a new board, you'll be able to add a project name, you can add a description, you can add the team members. We have also pre-made multiple templates, so you can check through any of the templates that suit you or your use case or your business's use case, such as IT, interior, marketing, sales, social media, anything that is there, right? And you can also create your own industries and your own templates. It's very easy to create your own templates and you can go ahead from there, right? I can also add custom fields here. So let's say if I want to create additional fields from what we're giving you, you can just come back here, edit the board and add the custom fields so that your team can input those fields whenever needed, right? Now when you create a new board, you'll be getting the board will be created automatically. Then you get multiple options in terms of filtering them, pinning them, duplicating them, and this is a very important feature that you can duplicate tasks by but you can duplicate the whole board including tasks and subtasks. So let's say that if you create a model board, like we can say like a simple sort of like a template for how you want to interact with different departments or clients, you can just duplicate the board across every single time and it'll save you a bunch of time as well, right? Now let's try and take a deep dive into a specific board, right? So if I open up a board, so what you'll see here are two types of views, the list view and the Kanban view. Now everything here is customizable, right? So let's say that you get to see the different views here. You get to see a Kanban view. This is a specific template that we have created: proposal, onboarding, planning, ideation, develop, execute, right? So this seems to be like more of a sales template, but you can personalize every single thing. If you double tap on this, you can rename this, you can move this board around if you wanted to, you can navigate between different boards from here, you can add and remove team members using this plus button, you can filter tasks by various kinds, you can set reminders for the whole board if you wanted to, so your teammates can be updated on email, WhatsApp automatically. I can add more sections. If I assign it to somebody, automatically what happens is that they'll be notified on their browser, number one, they'll be notified on their email, and they will also be notified on their phone app. So they are updated about every single thing going on in the business in real time without any delays. So you can see every notification will be coming to their browser also, email, phone app as well. And if you want to get very fancy, we are live on Zapier, Pabbly and Make. You can get integrations with tools like Slack and WhatsApp as well, right? Now what all details can you do here? So number one, I give you a time tracking button. So if you tap on the time tracking button, you get to see a stopwatch based time tracker, which if your teammates get started with, automatically start tracking the time on that specific task. And you can, so what is the benefit to you, right? So if you go to the all task section, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to see a filter there called timer on, and automatically wherever the timer is on for specific task will be visible there. If I tap on the task, I can add a lot more details such as attachments. I can change the priority, I can add tags, I can add reminders, custom fields, descriptions, I can also make the task recurring. So let's say if there's a task that needs to be done daily, weekly, or monthly, I can easily use this feature to automate that task creation process. I can also add subtasks, and the best of all, I can also add comments on the task itself, because let's say when you're interacting with your team on Slack or WhatsApp, they will not be able to ever give you enough context about what is going on the specific task. And as you can see, it gives it to you with specific timestamps, so you can track a lot of activities for specific task on the task itself instead of going to chats, right? And as I mentioned, in the chat section, you already have got these boards linked directly, right? So that's a big feature. Under timesheets, what you get to see under timesheets is the different timesheets based on two things. One is the stopwatch type time tracker that your teammates might be implementing, which doesn't get paused till time you don't pause it. Or let's say if they are not comfortable doing that, what they can also do is that they can fill out timesheet reports. If I come to time entry, now I can choose the board, choose the task which was assigned to me, and then automatically add notes and start filling up timesheets, which then my management, C-suite, whoever it is, can start implementing and downloading. So let's say if I've got Prabhu client as a board, what I can do is I can select Prabhu client as a board, I can select the task which was assigned to me, and I can start logging in time from when to when did I work on. So let's say I worked on this task from 10:15 to let's say 11 a.m. right? Automatically I can add a note also, and this will get logged here, and I will be able to see how many hours daily my teammates are putting in, like so. So this is a very powerful project management system which you can implement for your teams. So I hope this helps. If you've got any questions, please feel free to drop a comment or message us on Instagram. We'd love to help you out.